So before I start talking about these interesting scenarios that are being formed looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. And if you want to support me even further, a comment is always appreciated. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this rising wedge scenario which we talked in my previous video, it played out perfectly because I showed you, according to this rising wedge, the price in the medium short term might show weakness, might get attracted in between 33,000 to 33,500 range before deciding the next move. This is exactly where we came, you can see, right? And now we are seeing a rally. But is this rally an actual rally like this, or is it just a temporary rally before price again starts breaking it to the downside? Because according to this rising wedge, the price altitude has been reached. But if you look at this parabolic curve pattern, the price of Bitcoin is testing some key line, because in the past price action, whenever the price of Bitcoin in the past price action found support at this curve line, what happened after that? The price of Bitcoin after that showed a very nice impulsive movement. So in our case, if this is going to be another continuation pattern here to the upside, then we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show this final move, just like I shown you an example, where we reach the sell point. And in our case, this sell point could be around 39 to 40,000 range. And only after that, another reversal here like this, because according to this bigger picture, I mean, in a daily time frame, we have found out price of Bitcoin might end this rally only after testing the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line. Yes, guys, in our case, the price of Bitcoin might be getting attracted in between these trend lines, which is going to be around 40,000, and only after that show another continuation here like this. I mean, in the past price action, this is exactly what happened. From 2017 till 2018, you can see the downward trend from the top till the bottom line took around 364 days before starting with this relief rally. This relief rally, as you can see, ended when we tested the resistance from this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line. And now, if we look in our case, after 2021-2022 downtrend, which also lasted around 364 days, we are witnessing a rally just like from this past price action. So since we are also above this 21 weekly moving average, price is also showing bullishness. This does looks like a continuation at least between this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line before deciding the trend direction. And even if this is going to be a reversal pattern, no problem, because in that case, the price would be finding support above or building support above 30,000 range. And now, has anything changed in bigger picture? No, bigger picture remains bullish. I mean, this is still a bullish Williams alligator indicator crossover. Whenever we see green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, that is when we get the confirmation the price for the coming days might be favoring the longs, because I have showed you plenty of time. Whenever you see this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, that is when we know the price is preparing itself for a new impulsive movement. And for better confirmation, what I did, I included RSI, MACD and T3 CCI indicator as well. I mean, even this RSI is clearly above 50. MACD is forming a bullish MACD cross T3 CCI in a positive territory. I mean, this bullish move actually looks super real. I mean, you can see the buyers are stepping in. That means any sort of a weakness, any sort of a retracement, these exact trend lines are going to be acting as a line of support above 30,000 range. Yes, guys, above 30,000, the price of Bitcoin is building some strong support. And now, even if you look at this in a smaller time frame, I mean, according to this symmetrical triangle, yes, we did had a fake out. Price faked out and started following this symmetrical triangle breakout formation. So if this here is going to be an actual continuation here like this, doesn't matter, we need to break out of 35,000 at any cost before calling it a bullish move. Yes, guys, unless the price finds proper support over 35,000, this move could still turn into a fake out, right? Price coming back to this, the support which you have above 30,000 first, and only after that to start with the new impulsive movement. Because you can see, if you look at this in a 4-hour time frame, this is right angle ascending broadening wedge. One is a continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. Another one is a reversal pattern. So in our case, unless we break above 35,000 range, this could be faking out as well. I mean, price getting attracted here to the upside, and after that to show another bearish continuation here towards 30,000, 32,000 range before deciding the actual trend direction. And why I'm saying 32,000, around 30,000, it would make sense if the price shows another continuation. If you simply look at this in a 4-hour time frame, what I want to do, I want to add this Bat Simpson pattern. It might be funny, but it has happened plenty of time. I mean, if you look at the formation, right, the price is holding 33,500 support here, and to the upside 35,000 is a line of resistance. So if we are going to range bound in between this price range, right, we have to be careful because the price must decide the trend direction. Either it's going to be a fake out and price is going to show another continuation here like this after fake attempt, right, another continuation here to the downside to this support which you have around 30,000, 32,000 before, right, before deciding the trend duration, because we know around 32,000, 30,000 we have some strong line of support lining for Bitcoin, and any sort of a weakness, any sort of a retracement around that area will be still looked as a bullish retest. Yes, price retesting before starting with a new impulsive movement. Not just only here according to this descending broadening wedge, even according to this falling wedge, we are aware if we do get a retracement here to the downside, that it will be looked as a temporary retracement before, right, before the price starts showing another continuation here to the upside. Because in a weekly time frame, we just found out any sort of a retracement above 30,000 will be a retest, a temporary retrace before starting a bullish move, and also a retest from this Williams alligator indicator. So any sort of a weakness, any sort of a retracement here in the medium short term should not bother us that much as long as we remain above 30,000. And to the upside, if the price wants to continue this bullishness, right, faking out this entire bearish scenario, then we have to overcome the 35,000 resistance line. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.